The change in the weather's affecting me deeper this year. It's another reminder that time is passing by. Am I doing the right things, pursuing the right dreams? I'll go for a drive as I take in the scenery, look up at changing leaves. It's then I decide, so let it go.
爸爸妈妈，谢谢你们照顾我到这么大，我以后会很幸福的。
Let it go. There's a price that you pay for deciding not to take the coming away. I've always liked being different, but this is the difference. I never like to fail, but there's people I meet who are so much like me. They end up just fine. So I fill up my chest with another deep breath and close my eyes, let it go. Is when things